Today I will tell how to root all MediaTek CPU smartphones of Tecno and Infinix. Note down some important instructions. Phone battery should be charged. Rooting the phone will delete all data. Please confirm before rooting. The files you are using. Does it match the build number of your phone? Installing the wrong version of files can cause the phone software to crash. If you do not find the files according to the build number of your phone in the description of this video. So you should download the complete firmware of the phone from anywhere which is according to the build number of your phone and copy the boot and VB meta files from the folder of this firmware. First open Settings to root. Now go to Phone Settings. And click on Build Number 3 times. Doing so will enable the development option of the phone. Now open Developer option by clicking on System in Settings. Enable OEM Unlock here. This is very important. And also enable USB dubbing. Now copy the Magisk application and boot meta files to the internal memory of the phone. Install the Magisk application on the phone. And open the Magisk application and load the boot files from the file manager by clicking on Let's Go at the top. Now Magisk will start patching the phone's boot file. In a few seconds, the boot patch file will be created and saved in the download folder of the phone. Now copy the boot file created by Magisk from the download folder of the phone to the computer. Install ADB Fastboot tool in computer. Now rename the file created by Magisk to boot. Copy boot meta files. And paste it in the main folder of ADB Fastboot tool. Now open the ADB Fastboot tool from the desktop of the computer. Type the command here. ADB Reboot Recovery. A message will appear on the phone screen, allow it. Now the phone will restart automatically and shift into recovery mode. Now press the volume up button and press the power button once, from which all the functions of the recovery mode will appear. Here come down to reboot to bootloader from the volume button, and press the power button once. Now the phone will automatically shift into Fastboot mode. Now open the ADB Fastboot tool again in the computer, and give this command to unlock bootloader. Fastboot flashing unlock. And press enter. Now a notification will appear on the phone screen. Here, press the volume up button once and allow bootloader unlock permission. Now go to ADB Fastboot tool again, and type all the commands on the computer screen in order, and press enter after typing each command. After giving the last command, the phone will restart automatically, and it may take 5 to 10 minutes to complete it for the first time. After the phone is fully powered on, just install the Magisk application. Hope you understand the video. And I also hope you will subscribe to the channel, and will also like the video. In case of any kind of guidance or help, you can ask in the comments section. All the files are available on the website in the description. And we keep uploading update files on firmware for mobile website on daily basis.